The Sur Empire, 1540 to 1555. The Sur dynasty was short-lived. Sher Shah was its most famous ruler. So 1555 he comes back. Humayun had come back in 1555 and he declared, and he finished, he died. In his library he fell down, and his son Akbar was the next. So what happened in between that 1540 and 1545? Right? Sher Shah's time. Sher Shah was the son of an Afghan Jagirdar in Sasaram, Bihar. His real name was Farid Khan. He was given the title of Sher after he killed a tiger. On becoming king, he began to be called Sher Shah. He had killed a tiger with his bare hands. Tough guy. Son of Afghan Jagirdar. He was from Bihar, Sasaram. So Bihar, yeah, tough guys, huh? Very good. His real name was Farid Khan. He was given the title of Sher after he killed a tiger. On becoming king, he began to be called Sher Shah. Sher Shah was a very ambitious man. Within a few years, he raised a large army and became powerful in the region covered by the present-day states of Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. As I said, he took over the east very fast. He defeated Humayun twice and occupied Delhi. Thereafter, he annexed territories in the north and organized the administration under his empire. Unfortunately, he ruled for a very brief period, small time of period. He died in 1545 and was buried at Sasaram in Bihar. We'll go to page 54 and we will see the tomb of Sher Shah. That's in Bihar, I guess, in Sasaram. Then we have tomb of Humayun and the Surs. The Sur kings continued architecture. Sher Shah's mausoleum, Sasaram, Bihar, is situated in the middle of the lake. It was a huge dome. The Purana Killa, Old Fort at Delhi, was built by Sher Shah and added to by Humayun. The Killa-e-Khulna Masjid and the Sher Mandal are two beautiful structures in this fort complex. Good. Quite a lot of history here, right? He was buried at Sasaram. Now, Babur was the father of Humayun. Now, Humayun once reprimanded by Babur for his complicated letter writing. His father scolded him and spelling mistakes. Babur mentions this episode in Babarnama when he says probably your Humayun's trouble is writing letters is due to the fact that you are trying to make it too fancy. From now on, write with uncomplicated, clear and plain words. This will cause less difficulty for you and for your reader. From then only these things are happening. We have to be clear in our mind. Problems will be less. Try it, you'll see. Achievements. Sher Shah was a good general and even better administrator. He reformed the civil, military, land and revenue administration. He introduced a new currency, a silver coin called the rupiah. He also reduced custom duties and built an excellent network of roads, including the GT road, the Grand Trunk Road, which goes from Calcutta to Delhi. All these measures encouraged trade. Many of Sher Shah's reforms were continued by Akbar. Sher Shah was a secular ruler. He followed a policy of religious tolerance. He respected all religions and looked after the welfare of all his people. He is often regarded as the forerunner of Akbar. Successors. Sher Shah was succeeded by Islam Shah. He could not build up the work of Sher Shah. Humayun defeated Islam Shah in 1555, occupied Delhi and ended the rule of the Surs. Humayun defeated them in 1555 and finished off the Surs. Complete. Akbar was the greatest ruler of the Mughal Empire. Right. son of Humayun. All hereditary is happening here. Next video.